Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to make this Cathedral Window Jelly cups with you guys. So you will be needing 4 different packs of jelly. I have here pineapple, lime, raspberry and orange. On the jelly pack it says to use 2 cups of water, 1 cup of boiling water and 1 cup of cold water. But for this recipe I'm gonna use only 1 cup of hot water and make sure they're boiling so the jelly powder can dissolve. I chose these different flavors because I want the rainbow colors in my Cathedral Window Jello cups. For each flavor I added 1 cup of boiling water and I keep stirring it for about 1 minute until I see all the powder of the jelly dissolves. For the orange and pineapple jelly, I'm just gonna keep them in their pan. These are cake pans and I'm just gonna put them on the side. For the lime and the raspberry, I'm gonna place them in the ice cube holder because I didn't have a white pan that I can put it in, or containers. It's the best thing to use containers for this because you can cut them like evenly, but because I didn't have white containers I placed them I'm gonna add 4 Knox gelatin. This one is the unflavored gelatin. It's really important to use 4 of them to keep the mixture together. I'll be adding 1 cup of boiling water to the gelatin, and I'm gonna keep mixing it up until I see the gelatin all dissolved. If you have a bigger blender, you can now put it in the blender with the mixture that we did earlier, but because my blender is all filled up, so I had to transfer it into a big bowl, and then I have to mix it together for about 1 minute. Let me tell you, the white mixture tastes amazing, and with the other flavored gelatin, it tastes even more delicious. So in those Parfait cups, I add some of the gelatins that we did earlier, the cubes that we did, and then I'm gonna add some of the white mixture, and I'm gonna add some of the gelatin, and I'm gonna add more of the white mixture until it's filled up. And I'm gonna add again the gelatin a little bit on the top, and I'm gonna place them on the side. This would be a best recipe for kids. They can help you with it, and they would like to eat it because it's all gelatin and they like the colors of the rainbow. And also you can choose their favorite colors, like let's say if they like the orange gelatin, which is orange, and you can fill that with orange only because that's your favorite or your kids' favorite color. Or they can help you with that. So it all depends on what your kids want or what you want. And this one is an easy recipe to make. You can put it in a cake pan if you want, and do the same thing. Leave it overnight, and then you can serve it the next day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.